Hey guys, today we will be unboxing FeiyuTech G6, gimbal meant for use with action cameras, such as GoPro. Firstly, let's remove that plastic wrap. Now let's open up the box. First thing we notice is hard shell case, definitely very useful thing for transporting a gimbal. Nice quality, just like in FeiyuTech Gimbal that I've tested a couple of months ago. Like usual, we got all the manuals and other paperwork. Unfortunately, everything is in Chinese because my unit is from China's distribution. It was brought to me directly from FeiyuTech. And here it is, FeiyuTech G6. I have to say, first impressions are great. It looks like a solid and quality device. It definitely feels much better than that FeiyuTech Gimbal. It's smaller and just feels better overall. Let's see what's in this little box. And here we have micro USB to USB Type-C adapter for connecting your action camera such as GoPro to the gimbal. And charging cable, micro USB to USB. On the right side is battery, little screen on the top, nice controls, everything seems like a nice quality, definitely. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to see my future detailed review on this gimbal. Thank you very much for watching and see you later.